Thank you, Patrick, and good morning, everyone. So I'm Frank Morales, VP Connectivity Services at Orange Business Services, and also have the great honor to be Advisory Director of MEF Board. First of all, I would like to really thank you, Patrick, and the whole Fortinet team for this great opportunity to give you a glance of our vision at Orange Business Services. Today, I will share insight on how we are transforming our connectivity infrastructure and services for our customers, supporting their ways toward digital transformation. Because we are strongly believe that it's a race, and even it's a real challenge. And the recent pandemic has just emphasized the critical importance of IT and telco cloud solution in an increasingly digitalized economy. The race will become a high-speed race, as the crisis has highlighted that organizations that were advanced in their cloud acceleration as well as network transformation were able to better adapt to the COVID-19 crisis, smoother and with this ability to better ensure business continuity compared to others. But before we deep dive into the network transformation part, I would like to give you a quick snapshot, of who we are at Orange Business Services. We define ourselves as a network native digital services company. This claim is part of our new strategic plan, Engage 2025, which has been defined at group level as an ambitious growth plan for our B2B activities. So, how to achieve this growth? Our organization is relying on 6 major domains of expertise. Network native, our DNA, encompassing all activities of a classic service provider, connectivity, voice, unified communication. And in addition, we have multi-cloud services, digital and data, cyber defense, mobility services, including IoT, which is a huge trend nowadays. And last but not least, our capability of consulting and digital integration. All this allows us to provide businesses with end-to-end value proposition by leveraging on cutting-edge technology to keep their business secure and to unleash the value out of their data evolution. This in a world where, as a lesson learned of the crisis as well, companies will strongly evolve to be more and more hyper-connected, cloud-based, data-driven, and end-to-end secured. To facilitate that, we can count on the right expertise. First of all, thanks to our important MNC customer base at international level, in addition to our strong market share in the global B2B market in our mother country, France. Then also the right skills. To complement our everlasting expertise in the network as service provider, where we are transforming our skills to the SDX world, we have numerous experts in all domains, like cyber defense, cloud services, digital and data, artificial intelligence, for example. And last but not least, our capability to execute. Through our 27,000 people across the globe, to deliver services in 220 countries to make sure that we are able to support our customers on any project of any scale. This last point is clearly, I don't know how to say it, but a unique asset from our customer standpoint. But let's focus now on the connectivity area where I first would like to set the scene. And to start to do so, I propose to have a quick look at 3 key megatrends generating major opportunities for all actors in the industry today. The first one being IoT, with its exponential growth, creating an urgent need for network segmentation, a large wireless coverage with Wi-Fi 6 and 5G arriving, and finally, a real continuity from the LAN to the WAN, whatever the choice of the technology. The second one is real time, where we see a merge between computing performance and WAN LAN technologies. And the last one, the third one, not surprisingly, artificial intelligence, where the combination between real-time and artificial intelligence will enable continuously and increasingly improve business performances. So these trends have influenced our visions towards a flexible and intelligent business-driven network infrastructure for our customers. The objective being to provide to our customers more agility to simplify and accelerate deployments with co-management capabilities, reduce risk with more automation within our infrastructure, and end-to-end visibility and performance from the edge to the clouds. Finally, this vision shows that borders between LAN, WLAN, WAN, and cloud connectivity are disappearing. How come? Networks have finally become a key IT asset based on virtualization and automation. This has started for connectivity with the WAN around 5-6 years ago, but is now including the full value chain with the LAN as a more recent example. And so with SDX technology, we are now able to monitor end-to-end workflows, ensure segmentation continuity from the edge to the application, wherever they are, at edge or in the public cloud, and finally provide to our customers a real game changer for their multi-cloud strategy with our connectivity solution. And we are observing recently, over the last 2 years, a strong acceleration of customers wanting to move their application to a multi-cloud model. And probably the COVID-19 crisis will strengthen these trends. We support this multi-cloud model by delivering an end-to-end connectivity solution with our flexible SD-WAN offer. The brain behind all this is our NextGen Hub. In a nutshell, NextGen Hub combines strong network capabilities, internet peering, MPLS backbone, cloud connectivity with virtualization capabilities. And all this is managed through our global orchestration system. But as service provider, we know that network coverage remains key to be able to achieve optimized user experience and application performance. That's why we have decided and deployed our NextGen Hubs in all major cloud service provider locations to deliver a direct connectivity to more than 40 cloud service provider partners. As mentioned before, NextGen Hub also provides virtualized services to secure and optimize connectivity to the cloud. The beauty of it all is that our global orchestration is able to manage those services consistently at the branch offices with the cloud interconnections. This is exactly what we have done for a major global maritime company. Nice boat, by the way, and I do hope that we will be able to go to this kind of boat soon after all this lockdown. So again, this customer wanted to optimize its multi-cloud strategy to improve its IT infrastructure agility, this combined with strong security requests. We started by providing a solution based on our NextGen Hub to ensure the connectivity to the two selected public cloud provider selected. What we guarantee with NextGen Hub is this possibility to smoothly extend to other cloud service provider with the same architecture, and to easily also change and optimize its multi-cloud strategy, moving flows from one cloud service provider to another one. Then we have provided a solution to manage all security flows from the NextGen Hub to the cloud service providers, ensuring finally a unified security policy among the cloud service providers. The outcome is a fully secured multi-cloud connectivity infrastructure with the right level of agility and performance mapped to the security expectation. But this is only the top of the iceberg. Let's go on beyond the infrastructure and moving from a boat to a balloon. Again, let's go beyond the infrastructure, because at the end of the day, what really matters is this end user satisfaction. That's why we have heavily invested in monitoring capabilities to accompany global IT transformation. Our monitoring capability has three levels of components. First one being the global environment, addressing the global infrastructure from customer side to internet and cloud performance, developed with our partner ThousandEyes, which has been recently in the news, as you have seen. Secondly, comes the customer usage. To monitor real-time SD-WAN tunnel performance, overlay and underlay, we have natively integrated live action solution within our flexible SD-WAN portal. Last but not least comes the end user, who will be the first to complain if any performance issue occurs. We address end user perception to cloud and SD-WAN transformation with our visibility as a service solution with our partner Everbase. This global approach enables us to fulfill customer requirements for end user satisfaction. For example, we have deployed these monitoring capabilities for this global leading technology group who wanted to find the best way to connect its Chinese site. It's never easy for me to mention that, to Office 365 and Azure. To do so, we have provided a detailed assessment measuring and comparing the existing customer connectivity via direct internet access to the cloud with an MPLS connectivity to our next-gen hub directly connected to Office 365 and Azure. This last one showing 4 times improved performances. So monitoring is a key asset to highlight the infrastructure performance within Flexible SD-WAN. So Flexible SD-WAN has been designed to facilitate our customers' network transformation, and it is based on 5 key pillars, consulting and monitoring being one of them. These 5 pillars, including native cloud connectivity, flexibility, SD-WAN expertise, and best-of-breed security, in addition to consulting and monitoring, are delivered to customers through our single pane of glass, our SafeCare. And this SafeCare is a masterpiece to deliver the co-management models, which are based on different levels. First one being the read level. This to allow customers to do correlation with other sources of information within their IT infrastructure. In that matter, it is really important to mention that as service provider, we are giving visibility on the full solution, including incidentology, underlay, and of course, all the usage. The second level is write. This to mainly authorize customers to change their application routing policy is a strong demand, to make them deliver the highest level of user experience for their employees while using their business application. So much more than just an out-of-the-box technology, Flexible SD-WAN by Orange is a global solution that guarantees reliable performance, improved security, support for multiple connection types, cost control, and high quality and user experience for business critical applications. And to make a long story short, Flexible SD-WAN is a strong enabler to support our customers in their digital transformation journey. One example of digital transformation is this world leader in packaging food, beverage, healthcare, tobacco, all kinds of items. Starting from a quite well-designed hybrid solution network, this customer has, over the last year, dramatically increased the agility of its IT by using intensively SaaS-based application. This with a clear strategy to continue to deliver to employees best-in-class user experience while using business-critical application cloud-based. Of course, security has more than ever been a strong requirement with this intense usage of SaaS-based application. To achieve these goals, they entrusted us with the mission to migrate from their hybrid solutions, Secure at Edge by Fortinet Firewall, to a full flexible SD-WAN solution with more internet bandwidth based on Fortinet Secure SD-WAN technology. In a cost-effective and simple manner, thanks to limited effort of migration, the new network delivers more security while ensuring best-in-class user experience. So Patrick, as we have just gone through customer success based on Fortinet Secure SD-WAN technology, it is maybe time to exchange this announcement that we have made last November to integrate your technology within our flexible SD-WAN co-managed solution.
Un, deux, trois.
One example of a digital transformation is this world leader in packaging, food, beverage, healthcare, and tobacco, all kinds of items. Starting from a quite well-designed hybrid solutions already deployed, this customer has, over the last years, dramatically increased the agility of its IT by using intensively SaaS-based applications. This with a clear strategy to continue to deliver to employees best-in-class user experience while using business-critical applications cloud-based. Of course, security has more than ever been a strong requirement with this intense usage of SaaS-based applications. To achieve these goals, they entrusted us with the mission to migrate from their hybrid solutions, secured at edge by Fortinet Firewall, to a full flexible SD-WAN solution with more internet bandwidth and based on Fortinet Secure SD-WAN technology. In a cost-effective and simple manner, thanks to limited effort of migration, the new network delivers more security while ensuring best-in-class user experience. So, Patrick, as we have just gone through a customer success based on the Fortinet Secure SD-WAN technology, it is maybe time to exchange on this announcement that we have made last November to integrate your technology within our flexible SD-WAN co-managed solution.
Okay, Frank, thank you very much for that. And before I get to that, I do have another question for you, a little bit unscripted. It's a question I've been wanting to ask you since February, in fact. And it's about this concept of disruptive innovation. And certainly SD-WAN fits into that category. However, the disruption is at the expense of MPLS revenues, what we've seen with SD-WAN. So in the beginning, and we're going back 2 or 3 years, maybe a little bit longer, SD-WAN was a dirty word to a company like Orange. But you've somehow have come around and embraced it, which I think is fabulous, because SD-WAN is actually an opportunity for you to go back to customers. So what was the process within Orange to make this transition?
It's a very, very, very good point, Patrick, and let me answer to it in 3 different angles. Let's remain at connectivity perimeter, first of all. I strongly believe that you never can go against the market, and SD-WAN is moving forward. So it is why we have decided to be, as you were mentioning, to embrace it and to be the leader of that market rather than going against it. And finally, we have been able to accompany our customers in order to keep them happy with us, which was a strong demand from them, and also gain new logos thanks to our experience, capability to accompany them, and to execute deployments. In a second angle, the threat that you were mentioning of using SD-WAN is effectively a strong internet usage connectivity instead of MPLS connectivity. On that matter, I would like to highlight 2 points. The first one is we are really willing to be the leader of Internet of Enterprise. So this is for sure not part of our threats. We encourage this when it makes sense, this usage of Internet. And secondly, our customer base, our current customer base, especially at international level, is already and independently of SD-WAN, strongly using Internet in hybrid connectivity design. So that's not really a threat, this second point. And last but not least, as you have seen and I have described, SD-WAN project is always part of a wider project, driven by business objectives and impacting the whole IT. So our organization, relying on 6 major domains of expertise allows us to do much more than only connectivity in these projects. So I would say that like a lion is never afraid, we are absolutely not afraid of SD-WAN, and we are seeing it as a great opportunity to generate more intimacy with our customers.
Well, thank you, Frank, for giving us that insight into the thinking of how Orange dealt with this challenge. But now, can you give us some insight, again, some internal perspective of why you chose Fortinet for your SD-WAN solution?
Yes, Patrick, and you know, and all the people in Fortinet who have been involved in this discussion are knowing this has been quite a long journey to achieve this. Why? Not because of you as Fortinet being not reactive. In the contrary, you have been very active to discuss with us. But it is it's a quite complex choice in a fast-moving technology and industry world. And the criteria that we have decided from the beginning of the journey for this decision were the right ones. But their importance in the decision has changed over time. And so at the end of the day, I can say without displaying any secrets that there are three main reasons for choosing Fortinet and to make sure that the partnership will be a successful one over time. And it's really a long-term partnership, including co-development that we have decided both sides to engage in for the benefit of our customers.
You mentioned the amount of time that it took, and I can certainly remember at a Fast and Secure, I believe it was in Monaco a few years ago when perhaps some of the first serious discussions started. I remember we gave a demonstration, and that seemed to attract attention of the people from Orange that were in the audience. So Frank, you say there were three main reasons. What's the first one, please?
So I see that you are really impatient, Patrick. So as I have mentioned previously, there are three main reasons. First one being this capability to address a very wide market from French SMB to MNC with strongly distributed configuration like retail business. The second one is a fully borderless solution. We are very borderless, as you have seen, between WAN and security. And the one is an area where security is absolutely critical. And last but not least, our everlasting partnership. Today in security, where we have been able to set up together the right way to collaborate from engineering to go to market. And of course, through operations and support. This reinforced by the fact that we are two key recognized market leaders in our activities. Two industry leaders recognized by the industry and also working side by side on the development of the industry in few important organizations like MEF, for example.
Okay, well, those are the three reasons, but can you give a little bit more detail on them, please?
Yes, let's move to the first one. I was mentioning the ability to address a wide market. SD-WAN is not a question of technology, as I was explaining before. SD-WAN is, first of all, a project, a customer project, and it's really a journey for businesses. So to facilitate this complex journey and to simplify it, we need solution with ability to be fully packaged, including security and WAN. And Fortinet Secure SD-WAN equipment is a good solution to make that happen. In addition to be cost-effective, to address all kinds of market, including SMB.
Well, that's certainly clear, as you mentioned earlier, that particularly in France, your home market, that OBS stretches from the small business to the multinational corporation. So yes, we can understand why that is so important. Now, what about the second issue, the second criteria, please?
The second criteria is security. It's a combination of security and SD-WAN. And we have seen right from the beginning in all our flexible SD-WAN project that there is no SD-WAN project without security solution. So moving forward, we have assessed that the market will move to combine solutions from vendors, including SD-WAN and security. And on that purpose, we have evaluated that Fortinet was clearly leading the pack in the market.
Okay, that all makes sense, and particularly from a Fortinet perspective, SD-WAN and security, you can't say one without the other. So why don't you tell me about the third one then?
Oh, third one. I would say probably one of the most important for a service provider, a service integrator like us, offering co-managed solution to customers. When we take a decision of that matter to integrate a new technology vendor in a flagship offer like Flexible SD-WAN, we need to count on a strong partnership to deliver the right level of service to our customers. So choosing Fortinet is clearly on that purpose a no-brainer. As we know for many years of collaboration on security, how to work with you, how to co-develop solutions with you, how to support customer with you, how to ensure long-term version with you. So to make a long story short, we know that delivering high-level service integration to our customers with you is really something that we will be able to do.
All right. Well, Frank, that's very clear indeed. Thank you for elaborating on those 3 points. Is there anything else you'd like to say to the audience?
No, clearly, I think I have said already a lot of things, and I just would like to thank you again for this great opportunity today to be here with you and to deliver this vision.
Great. Now, Frank, I want to thank you for that. And although you touched on a number of things in the vision of OBS, the thing we ended with, of course, was with SD-WAN. And that leads me to talk about our next speaker, who talking about the developments that Fortinet has done and is doing to enable both our managed service partners as well as our mobile network operator partners. SD-WAN is certainly a big piece of that. So let me say again, thank you, Frank, and let me introduce our next speaker, Filippo Cassini. Filippo?
1, 2, 3.
So Patrick, as we have just gone through a customer success based on Fortinet Secure SD-WAN technology, it is maybe time to exchange on this announcement that we have made last November to integrate your technology within our Flexible SD-WAN co-managed solution.
Well, Frank, thank you very much for that. And yes, I certainly do want to ask you a few questions or get some more details from you. But before I do that, I have a question for you, a question that I've wanted to ask since February, in fact, and that's concerning SD-WAN as a disruptive innovation. Now, SD-WAN was introduced, came into the market as a way of saving money, meaning impacting a carrier's MPLS revenues. And at the beginning, SD-WAN was what we would say in English, a 4-letter word. It was something you didn't say in polite company. But you've seen, or OBS seems to have embraced it. What was the thinking to make that radical decision?
Oh, very good point, Patrick. And let me answer it in 3 different angles. First one, let's remain at the connectivity level. First of all, I personally think that you can never go against the market. So it's, as you were saying, as you were mentioning, we have decided to embrace it and to be the leader of that market rather than going against. And finally, we have been able to keep our customers, accompany our customers in order to make sure that their transformation will be with us. And it was a very strong demand from them. And also to gain new logos thanks to our experience, our capability to accompany businesses, and to ability to execute deployment. On the second angle, and you were mentioning it, is the threat of SD-WAN was the intense usage of internet connectivity instead of MPLS connectivity. On that matter, it is very important to highlight that, first of all, we have a strong willingness to be the leader of Internet for Enterprise. So for sure, this is not part of our DNA, of our traits. the usage of internet. In the contrary, we encourage this when it makes sense. And a second point is our customer base, especially at international level, is already and independently of SD-WAN, strongly using internet in hybrid connectivity design. So last point I would like to mention is, as you have seen and I have described, SD-WAN project is always part of a wider project. A project driven by business objectives and impacting the whole IT within businesses. So our organization, relying on 6 major domains of expertise, allow us to do much more than only connectivity on that purpose. So I would say, like a lion is never afraid. We are absolutely not afraid of SD-WAN, and we are seeing it, as you were mentioning, a strong capability, a strong opportunity to reinforce the intimacy with our customers.
Okay, so that's the first half of the equation. Now, how did they make the leap from, okay, we're embracing SD-WAN to finally, well, we're embracing SD-WAN with Fortinet?
Oh, and you know, Patrick, and maybe not you personally, but all people within Fortinet who have been involved in the discussions, this journey has been quite long, I would say, very long discussion. Why? Not because of you, not because of your reactivity. You have been very active in that journey, but it's a quite complex choice in a very fast-moving technology and industry world. And the criteria that we have decided from the beginning of the journey for this decision were the right ones. But their importance in the decision has changed over time. And so at the end of the day, I can say, without displaying any secret between us, that there are 3 main reasons for choosing Fortinet and to make sure that this partnership will be a successful one over time, as it is really a long-term partnership, including co-development, that we have decided both sides to engage in for the benefit of our customers.
It's interesting you bring up the time frame, because I do remember, it's probably 2 to 3 years ago at one of our Fast and Secures, when we were still holding the event in Monaco, was the first time, I believe, that we had interest from OBS in our SD-WAN solution. We had done a live demo, and it really started to attract a lot of attention. So, you know, I understand that, but you mentioned there are 3 main reasons, and what are those reasons, Franck?
Yes, Patrick, I can see that you are quite impatient to know. So, as I have mentioned previously, there are 3 main reasons. The first one is the capability to address a very wide market, from French SMB to MNCs with strongly distributed configurations like retail businesses, for example. The second one is a fully borderless solution. We are very borderless, as you have seen, between WAN and security in that case. And in this area, for SD-WAN, security is absolutely critical. And the third one is our everlasting partnership. Today in security, where we have been able to set up together the right way to collaborate, from engineering to go to market, and of course through operation and support. This reinforced by the fact that we are 2 key recognized market leaders in our activities. 2 industry leaders recognized by the industry and also working side by side on the development of the industry itself in few important organizations like MEF, for example, on the SD-WAN side.
Okay, I mean, that's a good summary, but can you give us a little bit more detail about each of the 3 reasons, please?
Yes, indeed, Patrick. So first one I was mentioning is the ability to address a wide market. SD-WAN, as I have explained, is not only a question of technology. SD-WAN project is, first of all, a customer project, and it's really a journey for businesses. So to facilitate this complex journey and to simplify it, we need solutions with ability to be fully packaged, including security and WAN. And Fortinet Secure SD-WAN equipment is a very good solution to make that happen. In addition, and thanks to that, it's a very cost-effective solution, and it allows us to address all kinds of market, including SMB.
Well, I mean, certainly from a Fortinet perspective, the equation of security and SD-WAN functionality is certainly one that resonates with us. You know, as we were, I'm not worried about saying a pioneer in talking about the need for security integrated into the SD-WAN capability. So what was the second criteria again, please?
So the second criteria is security within SD-WAN offering, which is a key topic for us. And we have seen right from the beginning with Flexible SD-WAN that there is no SD-WAN project without security solution. So moving forward, we have assessed that the market will move and evolve to combine solutions from vendors, including SD-WAN and security. And on that purpose, we have evaluated that Fortinet was clearly leading the pack in the market.
Well, I want to congratulate OBS for coming to that conclusion, of course. And I think it's time for you to, as we say, bring it on home with the third reason, please.
Oh, yes. The third reason, Patrick, is probably one of the most important for a service provider, service integrator like us, offering co-managed solution to customers. When we take a decision of that matter, of that importance, to integrate a new technology vendor in a flagship solution like Flexible SD-WAN is, we really need to count on a strong partnership to deliver the right level of service to our customers. So choosing Fortinet is clearly on that purpose a no-brainer. As we know for many years of collaboration on security, how to work with you, how to co-develop solution with you, how to support customer with you, how to ensure long-term version with you. So to make a long story short, we know that delivering high-level service integration to our customers with you is really something that we will be able to do.
Well, Frank, that's very clear, and I think it's a logical extension of the relationship between Fortinet and OBS, a relationship that's existed for quite a long time now.
Yes, you're right, and it's clearly a good decision, and now we need to execute.
Well, good. Frank, I want to thank you very much. But before we go, is there anything else you'd like to finish with?
Yeah, of course, Patrick. First of all, I would like again to thank you for this exchange and this opportunity to share a side of our global vision at Orange Business Services. I would like to thank everyone for the attention, and really would like to thank all the Fortinet management team, all the Fortinet team for their everlasting support, being present and being there every day to make that partnership exist, first of all, and to make it work. It's very important for us to see that this partnership is very important within Fortinet management, and we are the ability to observe that every day. So thank you again.
All right, well, thank you. Now, the conversation that Frank and I just had touched on a number of things, and certainly some insight into the transformation that Orange Business Services has gone through. Now, that transformation has to be supported by the vendors like Fortinet in terms of product development. And it's fitting that we ended that conversation talking about SD-WAN, because our next speaker will present a number of different developments that have taken place in the recent past that are going on to help all of you, both our managed service as well as our mobile network operator partners. So with that, Frank, again, thank you very much. And please welcome our next speaker, Filippo Cassini. Filippo?